and welcome back to Sherwood Park Toyota. Today we're looking at a 2023 Toyota Supra 3.0 manual in the color white. Let's take a look. Starting out underneath the hood, we have a 3-liter V6 engine, manual transmission. Super rare to find in the Supra, not many of those around these days. Gets up to 382 horsepower and 368 pound-foot of torque. Of course, up front, we have LED headlights, customary daytime running lights, and along the front bumper, we have the front parking sensors. As you move along the left side, we have the black alloy wheels, vents on the hood, and then side mirrors with integrated turn signals and blind spot monitoring. On the passenger side is also where you'll find your gas cap. In the back, along the rear bumper, we have your backup parking sensors, the Supra logo, as well as the GR. To release the trunk space here, you can use the button on the key fob, or if you go inside of your driver's front door, of course. Down on the bottom right underneath the speaker, you'll find the release button. Give that a press. It will pop open, and then you can just easily reach in and open it up. First thing you might notice is we do have the cargo cover here. It is simply attached up top, so if you wanted to stay down or fully remove it, you are free to do so. Take a look just in the back here. You can see all the way through to the front, of course, and we have the carpet Supra mat in the back. Underneath that, not a whole lot. Then, to close it up, simply reach up to the handles up top and bring it down. Next, let's take a look at the inside. So, first thing to notice on the handle, on the inside corner, you'll notice these triple lines right here. This indicates keyless entry. You can simply tap your hander to lock and unlock, so long as you have the keys on your person. Taking a look inside, you'll find that your internal upholstery is the black leather with this lovely white stitching, and the seats have these nice metallic peek-throughs. On the door itself, next to the handle, is your power lock system, side mirror controls, and your power windows. Side mirrors have the ability to move in flat with the side of the unit. This can be done automatically or with the manual controls right here. Of course, we have the JBL speaker system. The driver's seat as well as front passenger are both power adjustable. Driver's seat has the memory seat settings as indicated right here, as well as everything else including your lumbar support further back. Hood release latch on the bottom left-hand side. Pop it twice to get it to open up for you. Above that, all of your lighting controls for your headlamps and dash brightness. We have the beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel with the white stitching on black leather. And in the middle console space, we do have cup holders and a little storage cubby in the back. Hop in here and take a look at the other steering wheel controls. So left-hand side is all of your cruise control. Right-hand side is where you have controls for your dash display and especially for your heads up. It's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see it right in the middle here near the rear tire of the red Lexus up there. And then in here on the right in the middle is your infotainment display screen. This is where you access much of the information about your daily driving experience. It is fully touch capable, but if you prefer, there is also the manual controls down below with this little tune scroll capabilities. It has the listings for all of your different possibilities through it. This includes your communication, your media, menu, map, and then your back-end options. It does fully tilt scroll in any direction you so please. And if we take a look up here, you'll see that all of your different options are, again, the notification, my vehicle, connected services, your built-in navigation, which you can use through the touchscreen or through the tune scroll, communications, and your media radio. Media radio audio includes AM, FM, and satellite radio, as well as full Bluetooth connectivity and an optional USB adapter. Under that, your 4-way controls. To the left, push start ignition. Then in the middle here is what appears to be just your typical radio preset abilities. But with the Supra, you can actually access a lot of different features using these radio presets. We have a video of this available on our channel if you want to give that a look for more information. But on the left, we do have the typical mode and band as well as your volume control. Under that, climate control center, We have the dual climate control so that you and your front passenger can have your own unique temperature settings, or you can sync them up to work in unison. We also have the tri-level 2 front heated seat controls and defrost for both front and rear windshields. Just below that is a nice little storage compartment. It is built nicely to be able to hold any phone so that it doesn't go flying when it's in this middle console space. It also is a wireless charging pad compatible with all wireless charging devices. This is indicated by the little symbol in the back. A little bit hard to see on camera, but you can see it in person quite well. USB port on the left, 12-volt on the right. Then in the middle here, that beautiful GR manual. Then we have your sport automatic on-off and parking sensors, traction control and safety system, parking brake in the back, and the tune scroll as we already saw. Last but not least, we up overhead have our overhead lighting and our SOS button. Thanks again, folks, for joining us on this full video tour for this 2023 Toyota Supra 3.0 manual. It is located here at Sherwood Park Toyota at 31 Auto Mall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta. You can also reach us at 780-306-7703. And remember, life is full of choices. Let us be yours.